Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. Today we're going to be working on a quick one, the Tootsie Toy Thunderbird. I got this in a group from Big Charlie's Model Garage giveaway. Check him out. His channel's great. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do so. Let's get started. Let's have some fun. Rather chipped up, worn out Tootsie Toy Thunderbird. This is what she looked like after coming out of the stripper and on the wire wheel. This one had a broken saddle in the back that holds the axle, so I made a new one out of some heavy gauge brass and drilled a hole in it, jammed it on, and glued it in. Get some Krylon gray primer on this. I went with blue metallic or metal flake paint. I figured I'd bring it back to life with some color and add the details in to make it a little fancier than your average Tootsie toy. Wash the tires and scrub them in some hot soapy water. You hear the beeper going off for the bake oven, letting me know that the T-Bird is done cooking the paint on. After they were dry, I took the tires and gave them a little tire wash to bring a little life back into them. Then when I had them dry, I dipped them in some Pledge Revive It. Set them aside to dry. It brought the shine back out in them. Get our axles cleaned up. They were not too bad, but they were rusty, a little bit corroded. Get them sanded down, polished up. After I was done, I used that old method of rust prevention by heating them up red hot, dipping them in some Arl. It's an old method, but it's cheap and it's functional. That's what they look like afterwards. And the black coating on them doesn't rub off, giving you years protection against rust. I peened the front axle down after I got the tires on it. Try not to hit it too hard when you're doing this so you don't bend the axle. Here's what we ended up with. The great rolling model. Here's what we started with. Rather play-worn, chipped up, ugly mustard yellow, Tootsie Toy Thunderbird. Here's what we ended up with. I put in all the details. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa saying goodbye from Tootsie Toy Land.